What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to show you a live build of a affiliate marketing campaign, and I'm going to use the Gotcha affiliate CPA network today in combination with Megapush. So we're going to focus on push notifications, and while recording this I am also live in my Facebook group to the left on my second screen. So if there are any direct questions I will answer them, and we'll use the tracking setup of RedTrack to track the campaigns to filter out the zone IDs, which is very important when using push traffic. So actually my first time I signed up for Megapush yesterday. It's actually called Megapush and then .sh, which is kind of funny because it makes the name Megapush. Pretty cool. I signed up yesterday. I haven't looked into the dashboard. It's also new for me, but I think it looks very easy. It's not that difficult. So what you see is you got your clicks today, the clicks, the spend, your top campaigns, the top 10 active. I don't know what this means, top 10 free, but let me just go to the FAQ because obviously we want to know, all right, they have a bonus system. So if you spend money, you get 1 point, and 1 point is $15. So for every $500, you get $15 in spend. Basically, it's good, but it's basically nothing, right? You cannot withdraw funds, so once they are in the system, you cannot get them back. They do these payment systems. I didn't deposit anything yet, so. And what was important, I think, I looked it up before, it was the minimum deposit is $100. I don't know where it is right now, but here, for adding, here it is. The minimum amount to charge your account is $100. So that's good to know once you're going to get started with Megapush. It is $100 to begin with. All right, so first things first, we're going to look for an offer and we're going to set up RedTrack. So let's just have a look if Megapush is actually already in the traffic sources in the overview or not. It would be great if it is. If it's not, then we have to add it ourselves. Oh, come on. All right, Grand Slam, Rich Push, Megapush, there it is. Cool. So it has the feed ID and campaign ID. Okay, cool. Save that. Then we're going to add the offer real quick. Ooh, we need to add the network too, because I haven't used Gotcha, but I know for sure they have Gotcha. Yeah, there it is. Gotcha. Cool, save that. And then we're going to direct link. So we're not going to use a lender. We're going to the campaign level in RedTrack. We're going to create new. So if you are not familiar, the RedTrack software, through my link, you can get, actually got new discount codes, but you can get 14 days for free to test it without credit card submission. You can get 1 month off 50%. If you pay for 3 months, you get off 30%, I think. And if you pay for a year, you get 1 year off for 20%. I believe, but I will put the discount codes in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out there. All right, this is Megapush Gotcha sweepstake. So obviously, usually we build, I build social PPC because that's my expertise, right? But obviously I also want to show you some new things that might be interesting for you, and push is really hot right now, and that's why I'm making some videos about that. What I always have a hard time to make profitable is iPhone offers. Only on Instagram I can make them profitable, but not in all the geos. And I think for push, it could really work well. So Australia, no pre-lender. Let's run it with a pre-lender. $3 payout, pretty good. Let's just take this one. Oh, I have not been approved for those. Okay, let me just see, all the ones are active, not that many. All right, then we just take US. When talking about social PPC, I always say no US, but in this sense, for push, it might be different. Let me just see what else I already have active. We might pick something else then. So this is Germany, Samsung with pre-lender. So Samsung is also good. Yeah, let's just take Germany, because US, I don't recommend that for beginners. Might be a little bit too complex. Don't want to go into details that much, but yeah, let's just go for Samsung. S10, I would say that's one of the new ones. What happens if I push TE? All right. McDonald's, Samsung S9. Yeah, so the S10 is obviously newer than that. Oh, here, iPhone X, but this is with pre-rendered and this is without. All right, we're gonna take this one and grab the tracking link. Can I see? Does it have a geo redirect or not? So Asif is asking when I'm launching the training program, and I would assume he's referring to the mastermind. I was going to do that on Friday, but I'm having some issues setting everything up inside ClickFunnels. So I hope to launch it on Friday, and I changed some internal things. So I will announce that all on Friday. I'll make a video about it. So yeah, it looks good. 6 iPhones in stock or whatever. Fill in the single opt-in. That looks pretty good. Yeah, okay, cool. So we take this offer name, DE. All right, let me just DE iPhone X. What was it again? X Max? Yeah, XS Max. Gotcha. Payout in dollars would be $270, which is not too bad. And then we're going to insert the offer URL. So then you get S1 is S2, which should be safe. Oh, hey, let's just grab that post back real quick. Save and close this one. Go into test and tracking because it's cake. So I have a global post back for Gotcha, but if you don't have a global post back, you do it like this. And you save it like that. That's how it's done. That's how you do it. Easy, easy, easy. So what we do then is we go to the offer and then we select, oh, hang on. I think I messed up because now we only have like the 2 offers. All right, let me just copy this and rebuild it real quick. Got to refresh, then it all resets, obviously. But it's okay though, it's okay. It is okay. All right, put that back. Then source, Megapush, domain. There we go. All right, cool, that's it, save. And then you just take the click URL right there, copy that, go inside Megapush, and then we're going for push, new campaign. Probably before we can launch the campaign, it will say that we have to charge the account, but we're going for Germany. And you can choose if you want mobile or desktop or both, but we're going to run mobile. So the reach is, 738 million per month. Damn, that's insane. Desktop, a lot less. That's pretty sick. Okay, to get the maximum reach for your campaign, bid according to the fast start price. Minimum start price, standard price, fast. So that's, I would say, in the way your traffic comes in. All right. So in German, obviously you would need to translate this to German, right? But I would say that makes sense. Call out. Oh. Right. Let's just do it like that. Because that's the call out message. Attention iPhone fans. We are giving away 10 iPhones today. Just like that. Right, then the image. Do I have a good iPhone image? I might. Well, I don't, apparently. iPhone XS Max. And then we just go into Google, grab one. Like you can just one like that. Like I like the ones in the box. Yeah, this one is fine. So what's the size? 492. Okay, so you need a small image. These ones are too big. This one is good. Right, cool. Then you just you have to crop it a little bit. There we go. You can also do an icon. What would that be? Also the iPhone. Does that really matter? I don't think so. Obviously you can do like something interesting right there. I don't think this looks that great, but I just find a really good picture. Like the pictures I like are like these kind of pictures where they are like shown in the box. So don't just show one like this. Doesn't really make that much sense if you're giving them away. But if you like, you know, there's like, you've probably seen the images before, right? With like loads of boxes of iPhones stacked up. Probably just do iPhone and then boxes without this specific model, because people can't see anyway. Like, fuck it. They probably can't see, yeah, like this. Well, this is a little bit scammy, but like this maybe, or this one as such. Like here it says the brands, right? And you're giving away one of the newest ones, or this one. That's pretty cool. Like just so they see you have like a stack of iPhones which you're going to give, or like this one. You know what I'm saying, right? So pay some attention to that. All right, now we have the image, campaign name. We'll say this is Colin, UDE, iPhone. Yeah, that is all carriers. If you're doing pin submits, you can select the carrier which you need here. It's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, feeds. Okay, cool. So this would be all the source IDs of which you are advertising on. You can disable or enable them. Oh, hang on, it says actually buy extra traffic. Yeah, this would give you extra traffic, I would say. Trusted partner, exclusive access, all right, schedules. You can day part if needed for a campaign. But if we run push example, then here, attention iPhone fans, we're giving away 10 iPhones today. Makes sense. Then create, and it will say, select at least one feed, right? So where do you want to run? In the beginning, we want to run on all. What is interesting is they run also through propeller ads, which I just noticed, which is weird, but it works. Like they have tons of websites, right? So you just have to filter out the zone IDs. If you press create, refill your balance. Yeah, makes sense. So basically that's it. It's super simple. It only took like, what is it, 15 minutes. David is asking good questions. Are they really giving away 10 of them? No, they're not. It's just a clickbait title. Yeah, that's correct, David. It's just sales copy. Basically, you just want that click and you're just saying giving away 10 iPhones. It's not really the truth, is it? But it's also not really lying. It's just marketing, I would say. But yeah, that's all for this live build. I hope you guys liked it. If you're interested in Megapush, sign up. They have a referral link, but I won't show it because the referral fee is so low. I don't give a fuck anyway. If you want to use RedTrack, I do appreciate that. If you use my link, and I will send you the discount codes in the description, and I will send you the introduction video I made, 25 minutes to RedTrack. And obviously I have a really good partnership going on with Gotcha. I run all my campaigns almost with them right now. So if you want to sign up for them, I don't have an affiliate link for that, but you can, because they're amazing. Just wanted to say that. Yeah, but we're pretty much done. As soon as you filled up your balance, you hit create, that's done. Split test. One thing with push you also have to figure out is filter out the IDs, increase the copy, make some variants, same as with social PPC basically. And that's all for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.